Today's Midday Kentucky cooking segment brought to you by Creative Kitchen and Bath, where you will always cook in style.
Welcome back to Midday Kentucky, everyone over here at Creative Kitchen and Bath with Chef Allison Davis. And I got my gloves on.
He's ready for surgery. Be scared.
What are we doing?
All right. Well, we're talking about cheese this week. I mean,
Again?
your favorite food.
More cheese?
Like he acts like he's upset about it. I mean, come on. But we are doing holiday appetizers, kind of easy, entertaining things that you can just whip together that even, honestly, you could make ahead of time.
Really?
This is one that it actually is really, really popular for us. One we're going to do
Don't make me peel the grape.
No, we're not peeling a grape.
Right.
We're actually going to wrap the grape in
What?
goat cheese. So you take the grape and you just roll the goat cheese around, right? And you have, it's one of our most
Allison,
popular,
I swear you make these
it's one
up.
of our most popular appetizers with our customers. I kid you not. We do goat cheese wrapped grapes and we roll them in crushed pistachios. I don't have any pistachios
But how do you eat?
here.
Do you cook it?
No, you don't. It's a grape. You just eat it. It's cheese and
Let me
grapes.
have a taste of that.
Hold on. I'm going to give you a little bit of a crunch on the outside. I'm going to take a little almonds here, kind of roll it in these almonds. Yes, he just thinks, I kid you not. Look, there's a little chive. You try that. You bite into it, it's delicious.
You bite into it or put the whole thing in?
No, you bite into it. And the grape just provides such a nice, like, center.
I will say it's sort of nice.
Oh, look, it is. It's so good. No, it is one of our most popular appetizers. So these are super simple. You can make them, you can keep them in the fridge, and you just have them for entertaining. You can pull them out, and they're good for about a week, honestly, because it's just grapes and cheese. All right, so we're wrapping this in the, you can do a couple of these. Now I'm going to show you a couple other things that I've seen where we'll just do the actual goat cheese itself, but this one we can roll in these little nuts.
Is that enough rice?
Yeah, you just want to flatten it and then just wrap it around your grape.
Well, I was going to say...
So I'm just making a little plate of these little truffles. Now, one thing I'm going to do, though, is just goat cheese itself. So I'm going to do a little bit smaller.
I was going to say, don't do that, because I think it might ruin it.
No, we're just going to do goat cheese. All right, so I have a little goat cheese here. I'm going to make like a little ball. You can crush up a little almond there. I've got some pumpkin seeds even.
I'll stick to doing these.
All right, so you keep
You
doing
do
the
that,
grapes, and I'm
and
going
I'll
to show
do
you a
this.
couple other things, because this really does make a nice little pretty plate. Can you see little Martha Stewart already happening? All right, so...
I swear you just made this up on the fly.
All right, so we have a little grape, or a little goat cheese ball. I've got a little line of pepper, black pepper here, right? So I'm going to take my grape, and I'm going to make just like a little stripe. Ooh, if I can roll it straight. Okay? So a little pepper. I'm telling you, these are really cute, and then you just keep building your platter. Now we're going to bring
Allison,
a little
but look how beautiful mine look.
Well, you have it around a grape. Mine's just cheese.
Oh, there's no grape in
No,
that?
that's just cheese.
But look how lovely that looks.
It's lovely. Roll it in something, though. Roll it in a little
Well, that's
chive.
your job.
No, roll it in a little chive. All right. So we're going to take our another one, and we're going to bring a little pop of color to the plate. So I'm going to take this one, and we're going to roll it in a little bit of paprika.
If someone served me that at a... I'll
No,
be like,
you wait.
have the
you
kids
wait.
been making
No,
these?
it's gorgeous. I love this. This is just a little... you are just not creative enough, I guess.
No, I am. I just guess I would never have thought to make... I literally thought you were going to cook these.
No. Then why would you cook a grape?
I don't know.
All right. So
You're the chef, not me.
no, these are just a nice little cold little appetizer, and I'll show you what we do. All right, we're almost there. We've got a few more little toppings. You could chop up some rosemary, but you see how just the color is popping on the plate? We've got a little lemon zest on our plate, and then you take a little bit of olive oil, and these can just sit in the fridge, and they're just going to kind of marinate on the plate. Let's see, we'll do...
What'd you do that one for?
We'll do this one. I'll just chop a little rosemary.
Okay.
Got a little lemon
Do you want me to
zest.
keep going?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, absolutely. This is just a beautiful little plate. But again, you can make these ahead of time. They're
But
good
this
to
is
go.
also a bit of work.
It is a little labor intensive just making them, but
Yeah.
that's the beauty of being able to make them ahead. So the day of, you can just pull them out of the fridge. They're ready to go. I could see this really nice on like a little wooden board, you know, kind of laid out.
Oh, yes.
You are just not getting it. I'm telling you.
I just don't believe you.
I think it's beautiful.
I don't know what I've done with this. I've messed this one up.
All right, a little bit more lemon zest. And then we're just going to keep going. I've
Now, you
done
need
my
one without
chopped
a
parsley.
recipe. You need a couple with
Okay,
just
couple plain. We'll do couple plain. I tell you what, you guys try this at home. I guess Troy won't be doing it at home. but-
WTVQ.com/midday Kentucky recipes. Back after this.